How's it going, guys? GWAV is starting to curl from the bottom. And where can this go? I'm going to go over the chart here, guys. And yes, pennies have been outrageous here, but I really think pennies are going to have their day again. I'm not trying to be like super optimistic, but I definitely see some pennies starting to pick back up. I think GWAV can have a very nice day. I think it's one of the more solid penny stocks in my honest opinion compared to a lot of them. And as you can see, GWAV hit my system pretty hard here at the ATR4 here. When it does this, this means it's in a buy zone. I really liked it, and here's my thought analysis, guys. Not every trader is perfect. Keep that in mind. When you're doing swing trading, you need to properly accumulate. You're not going to get the very tippity of the bottom. My average, is posted in my Discord. If you guys are in my Discord, if you're not, you can join the link down below in the YouTube comments and join it. And you'll see exactly why my chart looks like this way, how to set it up, and when I'm looking to get out. But the big thing I want to show you guys is we are due for very, very close to this EMA 20. I truly think this EMA 20 is going to get hit very soon. And it's not just because I'm randomly predicting and I can see the future. It's just due to past circumstances, due to price action, due to whatever any stock does. It's very rare for GWAV or any stock not hit the EMA 20 in 2 months. The last time we hit it was way back in 528. The current date is 8/16. That is insane. Like, I expect like one big candle out of nowhere surprises everyone. It hits it, and then we start going back down again. That's my most conservative target there. So 628, 728. I mean, you're looking at almost 3 months on GWAV. That's why I am staying true to the system. I'm not being like, okay, I have to get out. I have to get out. I know there's a bigger target. I know that in in a very short amount of time, probably 1 to 2 more weeks, this might accumulate in the 70 cents. Who knows? But I really think that this EMA 20 is going to get hit. And from my price area and from my average, let's just say you have, the GWAV is at 88 cents, and you go to your calculator, let's just say you have it at 0.58, and I don't know your guys' average. I only know what mine is, and it goes to 88 cents. You're still looking at a 51% increase. If it's just a bad trade and you're like, man, this trade was just hard, then you take lesser gains. You don't have to take the whole move. You don't have to wait till it hits the EMA 20 because it could fluctuate, and it will. But we do know this EMA 10 is looking to get hit. Price is trying to get to it fast. Price will get to it. And if you're looking at the EMA 10, it's the half the time distance. 1 month is long for EMA 10. So EMA 10 hasn't hit since 7/17. So we're at that 1 month mark. So this should be very well hit soon. It looks like we're trying to curl out of this. The EMA 5 usually acts as resistance. We're back, where price is above it. You can start to see the EMA 5 curling. This is very good news. I think this is the start of a bottom reversal, in my opinion. Can anything happen with pennies? Absolutely. That's why I look for very conservative gains. And if I get out of this month green, if anyone gets out of this month green trading pennies, you did a really nice job, because a lot of people have GWAV way above $1, probably way up in here, and they're like, wow, I did not expect that. But you would have never bought GWAV according to this system till it hit near the ATR4, which is down at these bands. And when you do buy it, we look for accumulation rules. If you guys are in my Discord, I do not put in all my orders. I don't know why I keep doing it. I do not put in all my size on one position. When I look to get in, I have a very nice accumulation rules because I know it is impossible to get the absolute bottom. We're playing bottom reversals. Anybody that's watching this video, you're trying to figure out what's a price prediction, what's the analysis on this. I tend to keep buying high when I think it's the dip of the dips. Well, it's because you have to use a system that, is different from what retail traders use. A lot of retail traders will look at this and be like, well, this is strong support. I would probably buy on this. And then it just, plummets all the way down, right? And you probably use Fibonacci retracements, but then trying to find the absolute bottom is hard. And you're like, well, what is the absolute bottom? Let's just say, we use the Fibonacci retracement too. Let's say we do this. We use the most recent high we see and the most recent low. You can kind of see, well, right in here at the 23.6% retracement, we're at 75 cents. 38.2 is 97. 50 cents, 50% retracement is a buck 14. I don't totally use that, but it's nice to see. If this really is the bottom, those are the retracements we see. And with earnings coming up, I suspect a run up to it. The hype of it, and I'll totally be out, make my 10 to 20% gain, and call it a day, and trade another penny stock that I see that's really nice setup. Because I see a couple penny stocks that are just really setting up that I think will make a very, very big move. GWAV is one of them. I'm starting to see a little hope in this. The volume is not as good as I wanted it, but, it's decent volume. It's not terrible, but it's decent. So, yeah, this is my analysis on GWAV. I'm looking for EMA 20. Very short-term target is definitely the EMA 10. We'll definitely hit it. It has to hit it. The algos will do it, and that's your short-term reversion to the mean. We hit the ATR 4, which was, kind of drastic. Who would have thought it did something like this? Not all the times it does that. Markets can be unpredictable. Usually what you'll see is a touch like this and just bam, right up, right away. And that's why accumulation rules are very important. You only do one ad a day. I'll give you a little hint. One ad a day towards the end of the day is the best times to accumulate. So if you see something like this, a lot of the times you see big bodies of candles. Not all the time you'll see this candle here and then a big wick, right? So you'll see these big bodies, and when you're buying near the end of the day, you're getting where all the sellers are exhausted, right? And they try to recover. And we had this big candle coming out from the low here, 21% here, and then we just kind of consolidated, and now we're trying to go up here. I truly think we're having this, we could very well see a breakout of this channel here, and then back to the EMA 20. So yeah, keep this one in mind. EMA 20 will get hit. I know that it seems depressing, but keep your hopes up, guys. I mean, we're expected for a big run for GWAV. All right, guys, this is my analysis. I try to keep it real, try to keep it, I'm in the Discord with you guys. When you guys are in the fire, I'm in the fire. I know when to sell and get out of things. I know when to accept defeat. But I do firmly believe, the EMA 10 should be your target, and then a more longer term is that EMA 20. It's going to happen out of nowhere, and you'll probably make massive money for the ones that are patient. Accumulate the dips and sell the rips, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, feel free to join it. It's a very affordable. It has a very high win ratio. And when I say over the past 7-8 months, I had an over 95% win ratio doing this simple strategy. Even when the market's terrible and the stocks seem just like, wow, I don't think I ever will get out of this stock. It still proves to be like, it's possible. It's a lot of it is risk management. Are you accumulating properly on the very hard times? Because you never want one trade to outweigh all your wins. Because if you win one trade or lost one trade and then it wipes out 20 wins, you're just not risking, you're not having good risk management. All right, so click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord. And when you join, head on over to Server Shop and you'll see Swing Trading and Day Swing Trading Plus. The Day Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and it's going to be your most valuable service. It gives you access to all my services for only $12 a month, and if you subscribe on computer, it is a flat rate. If you do it on your phone, you'll be charged a little more. I'm so confident in this strategy that we've been doing prop firm futures, day trading, education I post, day trade alerts that we have had some really nice gains here, swing trade alerts, and I try to really keep it real with you guys and what you guys can expect from this service. I'm not trying to promise you guys the moon and you're going to make millions of dollars. I'm trying to give you guys conservative targets. When the price goes against you, then you take less gains. And always keep in mind that the EMAs are going to be your price targets, and what we use more than just that, but our technical tools and all of that and what the system tells us, guys. So yeah, I'm here with you guys. If you guys are down big on GWAV, definitely join the Discord, learn what you made your mistake on, and try to fix your habits. If you bought this way above $1, you need to understand, you should have never done that. And in hindsight, anyone can tell you that. But what this system is, it really blocks out that noise, and it really looks for what is the most extreme areas for bottom reversals. So hope to see you guys in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and we'll be looking for GWAV here to the EMA 10 and 20 very soon, and that's where I'll be looking to take my targets and looking for another swing trade. Hope to see you guys in there, and happy trading, guys, for next week. Peace out.